I'm using a range of Redesign with Prima products for this project. I begin by painting the tray black. Decoupage gel is available in matte or shine finishes. Apply a generous layer. I'm using Gothic Rhapsody decoupage paper. Cut the paper to size and fit it into your project. The brilliance of the Redesign with Prima decoupage papers is that you can remove and refit if you're not happy. Then I use a baby wipe to clean up the edges and smooth down. Next is the Swirly Floral Stencil by Finnabair. Using grey rust paste and a dabbing brush, we will apply through the stencil. Now I have the orange rust paste. I'm going to layer these two products together, mixing them in places to give a variation of colour like real rust. Follow this same process wherever you want to on your project. Brass Patina effect paste comes next. Look at the shine of this product. A little goes a very long way. I'm going to add sparingly in small areas over my existing stencil design. You can see the difference here between the shine of the patina and the matte of the rust effect pastes. I'm also adding some little bits of stencil detail to the side of the tray. Then I'm adding more rust effect paste to the corners of the tray, again building up the colours between the grey and the orange rust. back to the brass patina effect paste, we are highlighting very, very small elements of our rust in the corners. Just look at that texture that we've built up. This is the Gothic stencil by Finnabair. And I decided last minute to add some blue patina effect paste as well. Just look how vibrant. This is such a strong colour, I'm really only adding very, very small details. Finally, I'm going to hit some high points with that blue patina just on our rust in the corners.